Hello mga beautiful people! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ako, kakauwi ko lang galing na grocery. Nang hits lang ko kay Leia kasi nasa trabaho yung asawa ko. Kaya today, magluluto ako ng roast pork para sa dinner namin ng asawa ko. Kasi today is our 7th wedding year anniversary. So, yay! Sana more counting pa, more. So, magluluto ako, gamitin ko tong convention oven. So, gamitin ko tong long stand. Not touching the ground. We need a little bit of water. Cocina de Gennara. So, yeah, ito na siya. Smells good. So, isisit ko dyan. Let it sit there. Pork. It's already marinated na siya. Just ready to cook it. So, yan na siya. Nakalagay na dito yung pork. So, takpan na natin. Oh, hindi pala siya makasya. So, I just use... No, hindi siya makasya. So, I'm gonna use this one, the small one. That's... I'm gonna sit for 1 hour and then 175 degrees. So yan, after 1 hour I'm gonna check it, okay? So wish you luck. And it's my next na gagawin is cleaning the floor. I need to clean the floor. Beef na siya, so i-check ko lang kung it's ready na. Ready na siya. So it's not quite ready, so I need to turn it on for another an hour. So should 150. So we'll see with another hour. And then mop the floor. So later mag-iron naman ako ng uniform ko. Hubby's coming home very very soon. So yeah, he is home from work. So getting ready na yung dinner namin. Papakainin ko siya ng gulay, utan na Bisaya.
Island's high security Belmarsh presented for breaching bail conditions. This is a significant blow to Julian Assange, but isn't the end of the road. His team has already said a plan to appeal his latest decision in the United Kingdom Supreme Court as soon as possible. Every generation has an epic fight to fight against his powers.
That is not a
It's our goal for today. Cheers everyone, and I said you only left me one. You bastards, I said you're all pack up bastards.
He's home! We're gonna have some dinner very very soon.
Help replenish moisture with 2 big
You're a goat, okay? You eat that one, okay?
Where you get all that stuff from?
From my bestie.
Oh,
He said thank you for the anniversary. I prepared some food for my baba. And usually we're not eating. This is very special because he's just wearing a house clothes for our dinner. So time to eat. And there's no rice for me today. More years and something. More years. I'm just eating Australian food because so we're enjoying our dinner. Love you. This is very special dinner because it's our 7 years anniversary. Can you tell me the story? Tell a story.
Tell a story, what story?
Anything that we can do.
Best thing that ever happened to me.
We're gonna go with ganas.
Really yummy though.
And this is special because we're eating in the table together. We usually eat, you know? And I'm not eating rice because you're an Australian, so I let you feel that.
No, you want to be Aussie. You want to be Aussie.
I'm eating Australian food.
Nothing wrong with Filipino.
But sometimes, you know?
Rice is life.
But I didn't feel like eating rice. I'm trying to lose weight.
Where? No need to lose weight. You're gorgeous already.
And then I'm putting on weight.
No. Never noticed.
I do.
She's my beautiful baby girl.
So one of your co-workers is having a wedding anniversary too, and then it's that. I'm sure you're gonna have your anniversary.
41 years. What did with divorce instead of an anniversary tonight?
That's unusual for Australian 10 years married. Yeah?
In your old days.
That's their first and last marriage.
Old days, older people stay together longer. But in married about they sort of do.
Because in a relationship, like if one is really hot, the other one needs to become like. If the other one is fire, the other partner will be water. You know. I'm like in a relationship. I'm always the water. You're always the fire. Very good. Rule number 1.
Your wife's always right.
If you're wrong, refer to rule number 1.
Wife is always right.
The beach. It's time for dessert. So happy anniversary, dessert box. Oh no, you're so messy, darling. What did you do?
Just pull it out, make it look good.
Why that's so
I just want to try and make it look pretty. Not very pretty.
Put it in the bin.
You ready?
Yeah, you
Cut this together.
ready, set, go.
Happy anniversary, and you know it. I love you, baby.
Don't think I'm thick.
True thick and
You're thick, I'm thick.
Yes. Correct. A lovely match. I'm the waterbed, and you're the bone.
It's just simple one and pure about our day. That we go to the restaurant. We don't feel like going to the restaurant because yeah. Simple one. Mine is the fruit. The fruit. Well, I don't like that one. No, not that one.
Oh, you don't like that one, so I gotta have it.
Pineapple.
You ain't like pineapple? Fresh pineapple. You can buy a whole one.
I gotta do mine. Kunti na lang siya kasi you already okay. That's it, my beautiful people. That's that. Okay. So after next week. So that's it. So see you in my next vlog. Bye. Thank you. God bless.